period feel what? What?
No.
Telling me you're not gonna waste my time. Show me diamond, but pressure bust pipe.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and I am back with another video. And we're also celebrating 10,000 subscribers. Finally, after 3 long, tired years of work, it did not go in vain. Praise the Lord. I know I owed you guys a video. The last video was like probably 2 weeks ago. I also had a giveaway. It's not over yet, which is why I'm making this video to let you guys know that I am extending the giveaway until the 19th, and I will announce the winners on the 20th. So all you people on YouTube that never got the chance to enter, there's your chance, but stay until the end of the video to hear the instructions and what you'll be winning, all that good stuff. Yeah. Also, just want to shout out, shop my, oh my, I keep getting my tongue twisted, for the jewelry. Okay, look at my padlock, nice. So enough of me talking, let's get to the meat of the matter and why you're really here, other than the giveaway. You better watch the whole video first and then we'll get back to that. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on into the video. So today we have some unpopular opinions, and these are a bit much, but hey, I got a glimpse at some of them, and you guys let me know if you agree or you disagree with them in the comments. So the first one, we are starting with a bang. Abortion is a sin.
Huh?
If me feel like me can manage one child right now in my life, got to go from the womb to the tomb. Got to go. It got to go. Okay? If you're not for it, then that's your opinion, but this is my opinion, and I don't agree with this unpopular opinion. Okay, next, you should not be living with your parents after turning 21. Why? No, I want to know if my parents are willing to keep me under their roof when I turn 21 and feed me and clothe me if they want to. Why am I going to say no? Why must take up all the responsibility from my head if I know I can't and my parents are willing to give it to me? You're going, yeah?
You better move.
Skinny shaming is just as bad as fat shaming. Honestly, if you're on Twitter, you'll see all the debates about this, and I used to feel a way about it because yes, skinny shaming is bad, and I used to say that it's really the same thing, but to be honest, it's not, because if you know that being slim was kind of like the ideal thing. Everybody wants to be slim, thick, and whatever. You never hear nobody say, oh, I want to be bigger, I want to be this, I want to be that. So not saying that skinny shaming is right any at all, because of course I would be offended by MAGA, but I really think fat shaming is worse. That's just me though. You let me know what you think in the comments. Men should not cry.
We are cry for your body.
Men, if you want to cry, you cry. If you want to let out all your emotions, you do that. People should not post their relationship on social media. If you want to post your relationship, you go ahead. I am on the fence about this because there's one side, men are embarrassments. They really are embarrassments. They do nothing but embarrass you. You might wait a whole year or 2 or 3 and them go on good, and the minute you post them, something happens. It's a curse. Just don't post them. Don't post them, no problems. But if you want to post it, go ahead. Just don't be like that person that gets a new boyfriend every week and you post a different one every week. Like, that's weird. Do you want to steal your life? I don't really care. Women should spoil their men. Spoiling your man. Keyword, your man. Not people man. Not somebody where you feel like are your man. Not somebody that don't care about it any at all and you're calling them man. Yours. One that also spoils you and you reciprocate that energy. That is the one you should spoil. if you have it. Okay? Not these little worthless piss and tail boys. Not them. Yes. Period. What? What? Who said this? What? You need help. I can't even say this out loud. I'll put it on the screen. What? That is a very unpopular opinion, I know.
No.
I'm not going to ask you why or how.
Okay, let's move on.
Men have sex with a lot of girls to impress other men. I agree. Because everybody will talk about me a girl is. It's because they want to tell their friends that, oh, me I deal with a bag of girl and whatever. It's never to impress the females, because if we know that you have been dealing with a lot of other females, we're just disgusted, to be honest. So you really are impressing other men if you think about it. Just saying, if your feelings get hurt, then you know there's a little bit of truth to that. Just saying. Nothing is wrong with dating your friend's ex.
No.
If you want to go ahead and do that and your friend is okay with that and your friend's ex is okay with dating his ex's friends, you know, that is all y'all's business. But me, I wouldn't. I just can't do that. Like, why would I talk to my friend's ex? There are so many other guys in the world to go and date. Why am I still in this little dating pool right here when I can explore? Why am I gonna do that to myself? No. Ugly girls wear makeup the most. No man, I don't really come out to them. I don't really come. Some people do it because they want to try new looks, they want to be artistic, that's their way of expressing themselves. Other people, yes, them have some little scars that they want to cover up. Like me with my bags right now, I would love to go and put on some concealer, but you know, let's embrace it for the camera. Okay, let's embrace it for the camera. But in reality still, I don't believe in that opinion. People wear what they want to wear, people do what they feel like. I don't think one set. Listen man, no chat shit all the way. Stop it. Next. Money does buy happiness. Yeah, because if me sad and me go shopping, I am happy. And I'm on the muse to spend to buy what I want. So of course money buys happiness. I don't care what nobody wants to say. Money buys my happiness. So if you want to get your happiness somewhere else or some way else, just hand me the money. I will get my happiness by buying some for myself. Cheer me up. Okay? Alright. Letting down your guard or letting people in. A lot of people don't like to do this, and I can understand why, because people are just wicked, people are just cruel, and after a certain amount of bad experiences, you just want to throw up the walls and call it a day and yeah, just not deal with people. But I look at it this way. If God said you have to let down your guard 50 times before you finally get the right one, let it down 50 times. You'll eventually get the right one. I just saw me have to look on it now, because the cold hard something there and that nonchalant way of life is just lame, and you're just in denial and you're hurting yourself in the process without even doing it. Wow, that was deep. Woo! That's the experience there. Consumption is a must, even if you lay exceptional pipe. You know, say, I think this is coming from a guy as well. This is not from a female, this is from a male. If he said it, y'all better believe it, okay? Better leave that one to Uno. Y'all let me know if that is so. Men that give head don't get cheated on. What world are you living in? Everybody give one, everybody get one. Of course they do. Of course they do. Are you stupid? You have to stop them. You think that alone will keep nobody? Pack it up, pack it up. Pack it right up. What? Aki tastes like it should be poison? No girl, you really want a stone in your inside. I want thump in your back. How you say that? You ever eat some nice ackee and saltfish and some fried breadfruit and some fried dumpling? What is wrong with you? Oh, if you say that, you know, it's a lot of people are here with this ackee slander and I don't appreciate it. And if you stop them something there, ackee not doing nothing. Dating in its true meaning shouldn't be exclusive. I agree, but I just believe if y'all communicate and let each other know that, listen, I'm only talking to you, or listen, I'm going to be talking to other people, and then when I feel like make a pick, choose and refuse, y'all should communicate that. And you can't get vexed if that's what the person is gonna do. If you get vexed, then you just need to go and date somebody else. So honestly, yeah, I do agree. Dating in its true form, not what people are doing now. That is the end of this video. We're gonna get back into this giveaway. All the instructions are on my Instagram. Enough things are given. We're giving away deep conditioning caps. We're giving away jewelry from Shop My Own More. We're giving away handmade jewelry. I'm giving away an intro bundle, so you get a YouTube intro, outro, and banner. We're also giving away what else? Enough things are given. So if you want to go and enter, please go on my Instagram. It's @AndImShelby. It's right on my timeline. Just follow the instructions and do what you gotta do. Extending this till the 19th. Competition ends on the 19th, and the winners will be announced on the 20th, and arrangements to pick up the packages, the items, will be communicated with the winners, all 6 of you. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you guys for getting me to 10K. The family is growing. Let it grow some more. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Turn on my post notifications so you can get notified every time I post a video. And yeah,